Find cells in data frame where value is between X and Y. I want all values in a pandas data frame as true, false depending on whether the value is between the given X and Y. Any combining of two data frames using an AND operator, or any between functionality from pandas would be nice. I would prefer not to loop over the columns and call the pandas.series.between X, Y function. Example. Given the following data frame. I want all values between X and Y. I can, for example, start with and then do. But then
use and with parentheses, due to operator precedence, and doesn't understand how to treat an array of booleans, hence the warning. It's possible to use between with apply, but this will be slower for a large df. Note that this warning will get raised whenever you try to compare a df or series using AND, or, and not. You should use AND, vertical bar, and respectively, as these bitwise operators understand how to treat arrays correctly.
Between is a convenient method for this. However, it is only for series objects. We can get around this by either using apply, which operates on each row, or column, which is a series. Or, reshape the data frame to a series with stack. Use stack, between, unstack.